Hey everyone, welcome to all of you in this new video. Hope you all are doing good, and in today's video I'm here to explain you about Mina Mola reviews. Guys, in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. And if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So guys, it is an online shopping store based in Norway, United States and Netherlands that deals with women's fashion boots, winter jackets and other fashion products including the autumn shoes, ankle boots, black classic watches, blue ocean watches, baby foot pilling 7 pieces and so on. And guys, the prices of these offerings are pretty high. Some of the prices of some offerings are too good to be true. So let's check out the payment information of the site. So guys, here you can see some payment modes are available on this website, which are Visa, Visa Electron, PayPal, Mastercard and Mastrio. But when you check out the payment information on an FAQ section, then you can find the payment methods, and here they have mentioned that we accept PayPal immediately as a secure payment method. So this was the payment information, guys. Now let's check out the shipping policy. For that you need to visit the FAQ section again, and here you will find the answer of the shipping duration, which is for Germany and Austria, it will be 7 to 12 working days, and for Switzerland, it is 9 to 14 working days. And they have also mentioned that the delivery time after processing is about 7 to 12 working days or 9 to 14 working days. Now, guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So guys, the site is using a valid HTTPS connection, which is a good sign. Talking about the domain information of the site, guys, the domain name was created on 22nd of November 2020, and according to our study we have found that this particular domain is registered for 1 year only. So this is not enough to define its legitimacy. So let's check out the other factors to know more about the authenticity of this website. So let's check out the About Us page to know more about this website. And for that you need to visit the menu option button, then you will find the second About Us information page. Guys, they have not provided any information related to business establishment year, business owner name, brand connection info, etc. The About Us section is doesn't seems to be legit, so we can't trust on this website easily. And no information is available regarding the brand connection info as well, and apart from that they have not mentioned the exact offering information in the About Us section, so this is a negative sign. Now let's check out the contact details of this website. For that, guys, you need to visit the Contact Us page, and they have not provided a single contact detail in the Contact Us page, but yes, they have provided the email address at the bottom of the home page, which is minamalashop@gmail.com, which is a normal Gmail ID, guys, and this contact detail doesn't seems to be legit. So this is a negative sign and shows that the website may be suspicious. Apart from that, talking about social media presence, guys, the site has no social media presence at all, which is a bad sign. Now let's check out the return policy of this website. Guys, no return policy is available on this website, which is a negative sign. And do comment about your experience in refund or return of the product if you have. And guys, apart from that, the trust index score of the site is 2%, which is really very bad. Talking about Mina Mola reviews, we have found no reviews about the site on the internet, but yes, you can find the customer reviews on the official website, which are fake. Here are some testimonials that they have mentioned on the website. Guys, this site seems to be not much popular online as this is a newly launched website and has too low traffic, or you can say none at all. And apart from that, guys, some of the content published over this website is not legit, and we do not recommend you to buy anything from this website as this is a fake online store. So in the final conclusion, the website appears to be scam, and if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. Guys, hit the like button, share the video and subscribe our channel to get more scam alert notifications. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I'll get back to you with another scam alert.